How to use the map in the VineMetrix app. Welcome to the VineMetrix app tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to use the map view to explore and understand your orchard data, from canopy growth to chlorophyll levels and more. Let's begin. When you open the app, your map will display the entire orchard, complete with aerial photo overlays. These help you to visualize real-world conditions right from the start. Using your mouse, you can click and drag to reposition the map on the screen. Scroll in or out to zoom. The zoom centers on your mouse pointer. For example, you can hover over a gap in your canopy and then zoom in to inspect it in more detail. You can also click on a specific bay. This will open a bay summary details pop-up right at the click location. To close the pop-up, just click the X icon in the corner or click on another bay to get its details. In the top left corner, you'll see two buttons: the plus to zoom in, the minus to zoom out. These zoom based on the center of your screen, not your mouse. Just to the right is the timeline slider. This shows the date of each drone survey. Click and drag the green highlight box to scroll through time, or click directly on a date to jump to that moment. You can also use your arrow keys to move backwards or forwards through the dates. This allows you to watch how your orchard evolves over time. In the top right corner, you'll find the layers icon. On the desktop, hover over it. On mobile, press and hold. This opens a menu of overlay layers that you can toggle on or off. Let's explore a few key layers. Select Missing Canopy to visualize gaps in the orchard. Slide through the timeline to watch how the canopy fills in over time. A great way to track growth progress. Next is the Leaf Chlorophyll Index, a powerful tool for identifying early signs of stress or disease. This overlay increases the contrast between green, healthy, and yellowing, unhealthy canopy. Activate the leaf chlorophyll layer by sliding left to right to increase contrast. Scan for areas with yellowing leaves. Hover over those areas and zoom in. Once fully zoomed in, the chlorophyll index overlay disappears, letting you see the actual aerial imagery. Low chlorophyll levels can indicate disease, and tracking this over time reveals patterns that may need intervention. Another powerful layer is the NDVI, the Normalized Difference Vegetation Index. This shows overall vegetation health and works similarly to the chlorophyll index. There are many other custom overlay options, including heat maps for flower count, fruit count, winter bud count. These are color-coded by bay and can be expanded as more data becomes available. The VineMetrix Map is more than a visual tool. It's your orchard story across time, told through data. Use it to guide decisions, detect early problems, and track your progress. Thanks for watching. We will release further updates as more features become available.